You know, we're getting attached to this dunya when doing act of ibadah becomes too difficult for us. We regard people successful according to their status and wealth. A whole day passes and we don't open Quran because we were so busy. The lifestyle of rich and celebrity impresses us. We keep on delaying good deeds just like we will do it later or we will do it tomorrow. All we care about what we accumulate, more and more wealth. We don't schedule our time well around Salah time. May Allah solidify our iman. We cannot blame Shaitan for our actions because on the day of judgment he will say, I had no authority over you. I only invited you and you responded. So don't blame me but blame yourself. The Quran warns us that if we don't have self-control, we will be slave to what controls us: food, lust, money, work, pride, our words, etc. We can find ourselves overwhelmed with the consequences of not having self-control in many areas of life. Being self-control is the foundation for living a life of righteousness and selflessness that reflects in the Quran and Sunnah and brings glory to Allah. We have the power to bring sins under control. That sin you are struggling with, you have also the power in making it go away.